In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove members from a project in Hubstaff. Managing a project effectively often means making necessary adjustments, such as revising team memberships, whether it's due to a shift in responsibilities, project completion, or simply streamlining your team. Knowing how to remove someone from a project is an important skill. Let's dive into it, making sure this process is as smooth as possible for you. Start by navigating over to the left-hand side of your Hubstaff dashboard, where you'll find the Project Management section. This section is your go-to area for making any adjustments or updates to your ongoing projects. Clicking this will open up a list of all the projects you currently have, and it's structured to help you get a comprehensive view of your project statuses and configurations. Once you have your projects listed, locate the specific project from which you need to remove the member. Next to the project name, you'll notice a small pencil icon. This icon represents edit options for your project. Clicking the pencil icon will allow you to adjust various settings and details within the project, including the member list. Now that you're in the editing mode of the project, look at the top part of the window where you'll find the sections labeled Managers, Users, and Viewers. These categories are crucial because they define the level of access and control each member has within your project. Managers have the highest level of access, while viewers have the least. Knowing this helps you better understand the hierarchy and responsibilities within your project. To proceed with removing a member, you'll need to determine which category they fall under. Click on the appropriate category to display the members associated with that specific level of access. Here, you'll see the names of all members along with checkboxes next to their names. The next step is crucial, unchecking the checkbox next to the name of the member you wish to remove from the project. Unchecking this box effectively removes their access and association with the project. Double check to ensure you've unchecked the correct boxes, particularly if you're working with a large team. It's always a good idea to verify before finalizing any changes, as this action impacts the team's workflow and individual responsibilities. Once you've made your selections, make sure to save your changes. It's important to remember that these adjustments won't take effect until you confirm and save them. Always look out for a confirmation message, which typically appears to reassure you that your changes have been successfully applied. And that's it. You've successfully removed a member from your project in Hubstaff. Remember, effectively managing project memberships can lead to more focused coordination and enhanced productivity.